In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer photos to Canvas. This process is straightforward and can add a great deal of personalization to your designs or projects. Whether you're a seasoned Canva user or just getting started, knowing how to quickly and efficiently transfer your favorite photos onto Canva will be a skill you'll find very useful. First, let's start by opening your File Explorer. For those unfamiliar, your File Explorer is the tool on your computer that allows you to access all your files and folders. Depending on your operating system, it might be called Finder on Mac or File Explorer on Windows. Navigate to this tool, which will help you locate the images you want to upload. Once your File Explorer is open, take a moment to find the specific photo you wish to transfer. This might involve browsing through various folders on your computer, and it can save time if you have a dedicated folder for images you frequently use. As you search, consider organizing your files in a way that makes future searches easier. Having a clear and organized system for file storage can really streamline processes like these in the long run. Now that you've identified the image you want, it's time to transfer that photo to Canva. Head over to Canva in your web browser. If you haven't already, log in or create an account if you're new to it. Canva's interface is quite user-friendly, making this next part simple. With your chosen photo in your File Explorer, all you need to do is drag and drop it into Canva's workspace or your current project. To do this, click on the photo and hold down the mouse button as you drag it over to Canva in your browser. You should see the photo appear on your canvas once you release the mouse button. This method is incredibly convenient and allows you to quickly incorporate new images into your design. As a helpful tip, once your photo is uploaded, you can resize it, crop it, or apply various filters using Canva's built-in tools. These features make it easy to tailor your images to fit your design vision perfectly. Experiment with these options to enhance your project even further. That's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully transferred a photo to Canva. It's a quick process that, with practice, will become second nature. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you'll feel more confident in managing and utilizing your image resources in Canva. Keep exploring and creating, and stay tuned for more tips to elevate your design skills.